Alrighty, today I'm going to walk you through how to set up a WordPress website. It's pretty simple, but if you haven't done it, there's some things that you probably just need to look out for. I'm using InMotion Hosting. That's the hosting company we're recommending that you start with, and I'm logged into the cPanel. So once you set up your InMotion Hosting account, you can log into your cPanel and scroll down, and first thing we're going to do is add our domain. So you'll click on Add on Domains, and we're going to add a domain called creatingyourlifestyle.com, and then we're going to need to set a password for that. So setting my password, it says it's very strong, which is good. I recommend a mixture of upper and lowercase letters, maybe some numbers, some special characters. Now it says my passwords don't match. How about that? So let's add this again. Interesting. Okay, this is real time here, so I'm not sure why this isn't matching. There we go. Now they match. And I've got a very strong password, so I'm going to click Add Domain. And there you go. It's added it. It took a little time. So now I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to the home of my cPanel. And now I'm going to install WordPress. I had to install that domain first so that there was a domain to install WordPress on. So now we're going to go to, we've got these scripts here, and I'm just going to click on WordPress. So it's going to take me to the WordPress section here, but what I'm going to do is click the button that says install, and it's going to ask me where I want to install it. So I'm going to install it on creatingyourlifestyle.com. The directory, I'm going to leave it blank because that's the way you install it in the root directory. If you wanted to install it on a website where you already had a website and you were going to install it maybe at /blog, then you would just put /blog. But for now, we're just going to leave it at the root. The database name, these things are pre-configured there. You can enter the site name, or you can actually leave it because you can change it once it's installed. But so creating your lifestyle. I got a little typo there. And then site description. Learn to build a home-based business. That's what that website's going to be about. Let's see, your admin username. Now, one thing you don't want to call your admin username adwin because well, that just makes it easier for people that have malicious intent to try and hack into your website. So I will call this CYL admin, and of course you can change that. And so I'm putting that in there, password exclamation. That's kind of funny that they think that's a strong password, but obviously I'm going to go in and change that. Admin email. I'll just put one of my secondary emails there. Limit login attempts. That's not a bad idea. I want to click that. It will install the plugin for I believe it's the plugin called login. Maybe it's limit login attempts. So now let's look at some advanced options here. If you want it to automatically upgrade your themes or your plugins or automatically update the core, you can click those. The advantages there are that when there's a new version that comes out, it will automatically update it. The disadvantages would be if you have a theme or a plugin that's incompatible and it automatically upgrades, it could crash your website. So just keep that in mind. I typically do them manually. So I'm going to click on install, and now you'll see it's doing its thing, and it was updated successfully. And so there's my WordPress URL, creatingyourlifestyle.com/WP-admin. That is always the default login for a WordPress website. And that's pretty much it.